Today I'm going to show you how to draw Ladybug from Miraculous Tales of Ladybug and Cat Noir. Yay! This is one of a request from you guys. Thank you. Grab your drawing materials. Let's go. Okay, so can you draw her face line and no face line, sorry, I mean the guy line. And then neck, shoulder a little bit too. We're not going to draw that much of so much here, but I want you to focus on just a little tilted face. Okay, and then we're gonna start drawing her. Let's do, you know what, because she's wearing a mask here, so it's better to sort of secure her eyes first. And her eyes are pretty big, so let's just sort of focusing on that part. Okay, so her eyelid kind of goes in, out, go like that. We're gonna do really oversized here and hook, kind of like this. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding more eyelashes might be a little much. You know what? This hook a little sharp. Let me go little slightly softer. Good. Then we're gonna draw her round eye. Today her eyes is going to be super round. Okay, touch the eyelid, that's the key. So it's kind of showing softness, sweetness, but pretty strong. You know why? Because of this nice perfectly round eye. That's why. And we're gonna draw her shiny bubble. I was almost like biting my tongue. And then black bubble, and then let's do more like oval shape here, kind of like this. Now this side. Okay, so this side is gonna look slightly smaller. Go here. Okay, kind of a nice. Okay, here, hook down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's good, right? And go like that. Then we're gonna draw her actual round eye. Gotta make sure kind of the same size, kind of. I think it's nice. Oh, can you add more eyelashes here? Okay, so you can tell this kind of like eye shape, it's not all the way manga, but inspired by other style of art and creating in a manga way, right? You know why? Because of this kind of a shape of eyelid. We don't see that much in a manga style, so I like that. Then we're gonna draw her nose, her confidence smile. And if you want to, add a little bit like a bottom lip line, okay? Here, like this. Then yes, eyebrows. Misako, you're forgetting eyebrows. No, I'm not. Don't worry. We're gonna draw. First, I want to draw her actually face line first. You know what? Because the thing is, today she's wearing a mask, eye mask, right? So we gotta sort of secure the shape and the size here. Here, go like this. I think this is cute. And her ears, kind of like that. Okay, so let's sort of erase. Let's erase cross lines quick, if you can. That would be nice. Then we're gonna draw this mask line here, goes here, right? Now it's easier for you to see. Go like this. Oops. Go here. So this is go in, out, here, kind of like that. Okay, good. Now we're gonna add a hole here too. Right, so we're gonna sort of like follow this eye shape, kind of like this. Okay, and then this side too. Okay, here. Kind of like that. Good. Nice. Then let's start drawing her bangs here. Let's do it. I just love her. It's gonna be challenging for us to use blue a lot today. Go here. Okay, and more. She has beautiful her hair. I mean, this art style, but her hair looks so much manga anime to me. Got nice shiny spots and pigtails. Like I said in the beginning, this hairstyle is super common for Japanese girls, middle school girls. That was my hairstyle, like literally almost like 3 years. Yeah, I know. So I'm excited about this. Go here. Go nice round head shape, and can you go more here? Go like that, and a little short hair like this here. Okay, and then we're gonna draw a little more like really like flowy pigtails from this side. Okay, so more side hair. Oh, I want to add more side hair here too, and it's like this. So little short but heavy here, and more like this here. So some part super short, and then this part's medium size, right? And then the bottom part is going to be heavy, and the same thing this side too. So it's kind of hard to draw from this angle here, and then more medium size, right? And then I'm gonna go a little short, more getting heavier, kind of like this. All right. I don't think I think I drew her face a little too big. Well, at least I can draw, because we're not gonna draw her body today. So yeah. Oh, neckline. I think this is good. Even the sample, I didn't draw that much here. So kind of like this. Awesome. Then let's start inking. Alrighty, so I want you to get tons of blue. If you have a different type of blues, that would be good. And red, skin tone, and pink, gray if you have. And then let's start. We're gonna start coloring her skin tone first, okay? Here, oh, gray tone's coming back here. Here, kind of like this. Here, and especially underneath eye mask, I'm going to add a little dark shadow with the same skin tone you use underneath the nose, upper lip, bottom lip line, and between hairs too. Bangs like that, kind of like this. Here. Now we're gonna start using blue. So first, okay, since we're gonna use color pencil, we're not gonna sort of like draw a sketch of a shiny spot. So let's say pretty much the middle section here, super shiny. So we're not gonna color this spot, okay? And also this here. So 1, 2, 3, shiny. We're not touching that part, right? Then we're gonna start kind of a hold like this, pencil kind of like that. Light blue. Let's start using a light blue. Coloring softly, okay? Kind of like this. Don't touch. Here. No touching. No touching here. Here. Hey. No touching. Okay, here. Blue, blue, blue. Okay, now I'm gonna start coloring here. The middle part, no touching, okay? Hey, from the bottom. Right, don't touch. Kind of like this. And the same thing. Here. Right. Kind of like that. Okay, good. So that's the first layer. Then do you have a little darker blue? Like almost like a midnight blue type of a dark blue? That would be great. So I do have, I'm using, it's called the Darwent Color Soft Pencil. This is my favorite too. And I have this Peruvian blue. Peruvian, I can't pronounce. P-R-U-S-S-I-A-N. So please, you pronounce blue. Okay, then we're gonna start coloring. So when you color, do you see the way I did? So pressing, but once I reach shiny spot, I'm creating feathery soft texture like this. Here too. And the top. Now this big space, you're gonna cheat a little. That's fine. Go like that. Yeah, okay. I just hope I have enough blue in the end. Kind of like this. I don't want your hand to be tired in the end. So if you get tired, take a break and then come back here. And from the bottom, go like this. More. Go like this. From the top, see, I'm creating a soft feathery texture here. Here I'm just coloring all the way. Color, 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 but once I start reaching a spot. Hi. Okay, let's look this. Here, now you can see this middle section, right? I used light blue first. So that's the base tone. Then darker midnight blue comes in and then creating this feathery textures. So two colors blending together, so this section looks so shiny pretty. So that's like pretty much exciting part of manga hair. So I want you to remember this technique, all right? And then we're gonna do 1, 2, 2 more. Let's go. Okay, here we go. I just colored eye mask. Okay. All right, I think I'm getting a little sweaty because of this action. Okay, more. Awesome. Can you do? Almost done, guys. Not yet. I mean, we gotta do eye color everything, but oh, here too. Here. And okay, here, done. Now red. Can you add red here? Okay, I'm gonna hold like this. Mask, red. We're gonna add a little polka dots, okay? Here. think it's a slightly light. I want to go a little darker now. Go like that. Ta 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 ta. More red. Okay, good. Oh, also like maybe here a little bit of red. 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 Okay. Let's do a little bit more. Pink. Pink here. And we're gonna do, oh yeah, great. Or use pencil. We're gonna add a little shadow underneath. And we are going to use light blue first. Light blue. Okay. And if you have a darker blue like we used, or whatever, like a darker blue, or slightly purple, that'd be great. So here, and then from the top, mixing together. So you press really hard on the top, maybe 2/3 of her eyes, much darker blue, and the rest of them really bright. Light blue, okay? Here. Kind of like this. And then let's use touch of a yellow. Hi. And oh, we are going to add polka dots. Okay, so she has 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 3 here, no, 4 here, 5, right? And here too. And I'm gonna write it down, ladybug, in Japanese. It's such a cute word in Japanese. We say tento mushi. Mushi means bug. Tento, oh yeah, maybe tento means like light, like a light up. Tento, that's the meaning, I think. But tento mushi, right? So let's do, I'm gonna write here, okay? Write down here. So if you want to, let's do this together. Te, to, u. Last part is a mushi in one word, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So te, to, u, mushi means ladybug. All right, good job, guys. We did it. Yay, we did it. So this is a sample I showed you in the beginning, and this is a ladybug we drew together. How was it? This classic kawaii pigtails, man, this is just perfect. And I showed you how to today color this here, shiny spots here and there, right? That's such a like manga hair color, technique I want you to remember today. All right, and if you have more different facial expressions or some characters, even movie or musicians you want me to draw in manga style, let me know. Leave your comments right here. Don't forget. All right, so I see you next video. Thank you. Are you enjoying my videos? If so, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And my graphic novel series Bounce Back and activity book series How to Draw Kawaii Manga are available at your favorite store. Thank you so much. Arigato. See you in next video.